The recommendation of the manufacturer is advance the timing. Why advance and not retard? To avoid to destroy the engine, no? Because if you retard a little late, you overspeed and destroy the engine. It should be a little before, because the engine in each explosion produces a huge explosion and the momentum is too much. If I produce the explosion a little before, I keep the engine moving, but no overspeed. That's okay? All right. In this engine, the recommendation is produce the explosion 12 or 14 or 16 degrees, depending on the model of the engine, before the piston reach top dead center. In diesel is produce the explosion 4 degrees or 6 degrees before in that area, because the properties of the fuel. Which one is more volatile, gasoline or diesel?
Gasoline is more.
This is why you need more degrees before in gasoline than diesel. Diesel is less volatile.
I got a question, but in that case, the spark is happening right when it's top dead center.
In that moment, is producing. This is a great question. In this moment, it's 0, and this is with number 1, and this is with number 8, and that according with the firing order. Can I start the engine right now? Yes, but the explosion is produced just in top dead center, and all the explosion is over there in that moment, and you can damage the bearings. I can start, but quickly I need advance or retard according with the marks over there. And I hear that the engine, now it's running better. Suppose that this one right now is connected with cylinder number 1 here, no guys? And I hook that in cable number 1, and this one to the ground. And now I start the engine, and I pointed that light, the light produced for that one, into the wheel where the marks are located. If you see that wheel, they have the marks of 0. Come on, guys. 0, and some marks before and some marks after. You see? Okay, I wanted to stay at 12 degrees before. Pay attention. When the engine is running and I pointed the light on those marks, I see the 0 mark on the harmonic balancer move it a little forward or a little backward, depending how I move it, this one advance or retard. I need to let that the 0 mark be aligned, the 12 degrees before top the center be aligned with the 0 mark on the plate. In that moment, okay, Mr. Lopez, it's 12 degrees. Okay, I tight that bracket, and now the distributor is fixed. And now, in that moment, I am going to accelerate and decelerate. Vroom, vroom. And I hear the gain. When I accelerate, if the engine recovers immediately the RPM. Pay attention. Suppose that I put the mark over there, and when I accelerate, the engine requires too much time to recover the RPMs. It's too much. Let me reduce a little, 11 degrees. A little better. 10 degrees. Oh, right now recover. This is the timing. Okay. No, but the manual says, my friend, sorry for the manual. In this moment, in this temperature, in this pressure, in this country, it's working with 10 degrees.